Hello and welcome to Baladri Academy. This is M. Raghavendra teaching botany. I have 24 years of experience in teaching botany for entrance exams. You have very less time to prepare for NEET after your board exams. But don't worry, this platform will provide you best faculty and well-designed crash course program. Scoring more marks in biology is essential. So here we have designed a program that covers each and every important point, and we will teach you every concept detailedly that helps to score more marks in entrance exam. Along with that, here we are focusing more on previous entrance examination questions that helps more to score maximum marks in every subject. From 20th May onwards, we are going to start our classes. So I hope many of you will join and we will meet on that day. And I wish you very good luck for your board examinations. Thank you.